Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how you can turn on disappearing messages on chats. So you can take any chat that you want, and once you're here just click on the name, and once you're there just go down and you can choose disappearing messages turn on or off. So just click on that, and here I have turned off the messages. So if you want to turn it on, you can choose how many days you want, or 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. So this will actually make the messages disappear once somebody's sending to you or you are sending to them. So this is done if you want to decrease the storage space on your iPhone so that it won't take that much space when sending big files or a lot of unwanted messages, and you don't want to keep backing up all these unwanted messages. So you can turn on disappearing messages anytime you want. So if you guys found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel and make amazing tech based content. Thank you and have a nice day.